Just like yoga, I truly believe in the power of Ayurveda and reaping its benefits in day-to-day life. When season changes, there are higher chances of cold and cough. So I trust Kofol Ayurvedic Range from Carak Pharma, who are leaders in Ayurveda for the past 74 years. For throat irritation, मेरा favorite है Kofol Chewable Tablets, जो मेरे साथ हमेशा रहता है. It not only helps in relieving my sore throat, but also leaves my breath refreshed. And it's easy to carry around too. Kofol also has amazing Ayurvedic products like cough syrup, gargle, rub for complete throat care, and also immunity tablets for boosting my immunity. Use my code Malaika30 and avail flat 30% discount on the entire Kofol range. Stay healthy and stay safe.